Welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant Navy guys. Hopefully you guys are doing well. So today's topic is going to be very important, and first thing is that I am going to start a series regarding IMCET. So hopefully I will upload daily one video, and the video is going to be little lengthier. Each and every video is going to be little lengthier, and I'll try to do the things in my laptop only. I will use this laptop like a whiteboard, so it will be very helpful for you guys. So please stay tuned till last. In this video, in the last, I will tell you one important thing, and that will be very helpful for you. If you want to know that thing, it will be a surprise for you, or maybe you can say gift for you, so you can wait till last to know all the things. So before moving to the topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Believe me, it will be helpful for you. Okay, so now let's start. So 16th August, right? This day is going to be very important for you. Just mark this day on your calendar, because this day will going to be a game changer for you. So you have plenty time, trust me. There is still 65-66 days. That is more than enough to do preparation. Okay, but before doing the preparation, you have to remember one thing, that preparation must be done in a correct direction, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to crack the IMCET. So better let's discuss about the whole syllabus, so you can get an idea, a clear view aspect, that you can prepare yourself. Okay, so first thing is that the mark division. The marks division you already I think know, so still I can show you. See, English, general knowledge, aptitude, chemistry, physics, mathematics. These are the 6 subjects you required. Okay, and the physics and the mathematics, these two, 100 marks, 50 plus 50, and rest all are 25 marks. Okay, this part is understood. I think we will see the brief syllabus. We will start with English only. Okay, English, you have to read this 6 topic: parts of speech, meaning, word phrases, synonyms, antonyms, phrasal verb, tenses, idioms, and reading comprehension. Among that, this thing, reading comprehension, is very important. You have to read the proper thing, and afterwards you have to answer. So I think this is okay. You guys are already, I think, strong in English, so it will be very helpful for you. Okay, so English you have to prepare like that. Now the main important part is general aptitude. That is out of syllabus basically, because aptitude is based on the practice. Okay, so this is the aptitude: syllogism, data sufficiency, data interpretation, pipes and systems, board and steams, numerical computation, numerical estimation, odd man out, time and work, calendar clocks, time distance, height distance, analytical reasoning, logical reasoning, abstract reasoning, mixture, allegations, ratio proportion, numerical reasoning, and mechanical reasoning. Okay, see, in this video I will not discuss the tips. I'll be give you the later part, because videos will be coming. Okay, so next video I'll give you the tips how to crack, but one small tips I can give you in this video: this full part, English and your aptitude, there is a website. The website is indiabix.com. so this is the website you can follow for prepare this aptitude and English. It will be the best. Or you can do is, you can buy this book. You can see over here, this book you can buy. You can find the link in the description box. There also you can see all these topics. This book is very good for physics, chemistry, and mathematics, also for GK, but these two parts also been highlighted and discussed in this book. Otherwise you can follow this website. Okay, so English and aptitude part is clear. Now we'll slowly move to the chemistry part. very important chemistry. Basic concepts, state of matter, atomic structure, solutions, chemical energetics, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, redox reaction and electrochemistry, rates of chemical reaction and chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, chemical families, periodic properties, chemical bonding, molecular structure, chemistry metal, chemistry non-metal 1 and 2, heavy metals, chemistry lighter metals, chemistry of representative elements, transition metals including lanthanides, coordination chemistry and organometallics, nuclear chemistry, purification and characterization of organic compounds, hydrocarbons, some basic principles of organic chemistry, organic compounds containing nitrogen, synthetic and natural polymer, organic compound containing oxygen, biomolecules, biological process, chemistry in action, environmental chemistry. Okay, these are the 29 things are there that you need to study. Okay, 29 things are there. Especially the main purpose is your organic chemistry, that is very important. OC, organic chemistry, you have to study very in depth. Now the main part is physics. See, you have to remember one thing, in this physics the marks is 50. Physics and mathematics, this you have to score. Unit and measurement, the first chapter, then description of motion in one dimension, description of motion in two and three dimensions, law of motion. Okay, apart from that, work, energy and power, rotational motion, gravitation, solids and fluids, oscillation, waves, heat, thermodynamics, transference of heat, electrostatics, current, electricity, thermal and chemical effects of currents, magnetic effects of current, magnetostatics, electromagnetic induction and alternative currents, ray optics, wave optics, very important, electromagnetic waves, electron and protons, atoms, molecular and nuclei, solids and semiconductor. Okay, so 50 marks. I'm telling several times, this you have to keep in your mind, 50 marks. Now for me, this is the most important, the mathematics. Without this you cannot score good marks or cannot pass the IMU This you have to clear anyhow, and 50 marks. So target must be 48. Okay, let's not move to these things. These things will be doing in the next video. All marks, statistics, cutoffs, everything will done. No need to worry, just you have to do, engage with this channel, you will come to know each and everything. Okay, so first thing, sets, relation and the functions. Okay, complex numbers, matrix determinants, quadratic equation, permutation combination, very easy, mathematical induction and its application, binomial theorem and its application, sequences and series, differential calculus, integral calculus, differential equation, two-dimensional and three-dimensional geometry, vector algebra, measures of central tendency and dispersion, probability, trigonometry, statistics, dynamics. 19 things are there and 50 marks, and you have to score a good marks to clear it. Okay, so I think this part also clear. Now we'll move to another aspects, that is the our general knowledge. So see, general knowledge you can do, you can buy a book. I can tell you, that is Arianth book, Arianth general knowledge. I think cost around 150. Within 2 or 3 days you can get delivered that book for general knowledge. Okay, because there is no such syllabus for general knowledge. You can see capital, currency, invention, discoveries, these things will be finance, then sports, current affairs, awards, science, technology, anything can be asked. So that Arianth book you can buy. I can suggest you that Arianth. you'll find that book in Flipkart and Amazon. I think 150 bucks. Okay, you can buy that book, or you can buy our book also. That is, we have covered all the GK. So now we have come to the end of this video. So I have promised you that there is a gift for you. So if you go to this link, okay, and I'm not sure how many people are watching till last, but even the 4 5 6 people are watching till, it will be helpful for them if you want to buy this book. So in this book you will find at least 5,000 plus question of all these subjects. Even the GK will be there, questions will get. Apart from that, you will get the answer plus the explanation. Okay, explanation also you will get. So this book pricing around 465 rupees. You can buy this book, but if you are watching this video till last, I told you there is a surprise. Now I will tell you the surprise. Okay, the surprise is that if you want to buy this book, use this coupon code way to merchant navy, all in a block letter. Use this coupon code, you will get 50 rupees off. Okay, 50 rupees off. So ultimate price will be 415 rupees. So that thing I wanted to tell you as a surprise, and I think you have understood the whole syllabus for IMO CET. So next video I will break down all the syllabus and how to prepare for last 66 days will be discussed. So thank you guys for watching. If you like, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off for the day. See you in my next one.